So let's talk about arm weight. What does it mean and how does it affect your playing? After all, don't we play with the fingers? But if we just do that, the tone is really limited. So it's important to understand how to coordinate our whole body to be part of the playing. Take a look at this and notice how free Melody is as she does this simple exercise. Up with finger 2. Be careful not to pull your elbow to the side. Down with finger 3. Make sure your movement is continuous. Up with finger 4. Don't stop before you play. Keep that flowing movement going. Down with finger 5. That's what we call the parachute landing. It looks so simple, but there's a lot to get right. Like this, you sink into the key like a parachute and you float off like a hot air balloon. Notice that as you lift your wrist, your arm moves forward slightly. And as you float off, check that your hand is completely relaxed. Think of water dripping from your finger. To learn more about what goes into this fundamental movement, check out the focus sessions on our website, academy.fitforpiano.co.nz, for our half-hour lesson on arm weight. It's only $9 and I can guarantee it will help your sound and your freedom at the piano.